to see the fifth question. Okay, in this type of sums, okay, first check whether it is having the power 4, means try to convert it square to the whole power. Like I am taking 2 power 4 here, for example I am writing this 2 power 4 as 2 power to the whole square, right? We can also write 2 power 4 as 2 to the power 2 square, because multiplying 2 into 2 it will be 2 to the power 4 only, right? So instead of 2 power 4 I can write 2 square the whole square. So the similar thing which I am going to do here, instead of sin power 4a I am going to write sin square a the whole square by the same cos square a the whole square. Okay, I am just taking the LHS. Okay, first now we are going to prove the RHS. I am taking LHS and converting it to the square to the whole square. Okay, 2 to the power whole square. And now we can, why we are doing this, because we can able to make this, we can similarize this to the a square minus b square formula to compare this thing with a square minus b square formula. That's why we are taking the power, splitting the power as 2 to the power whole square. Okay, now we can compare this both, right? We know a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, right? By this similar, we are going to write sin square a the whole square minus cos square a the whole square, like sin square a plus cos square a sin square a minus cos square a plus b into a minus b. Okay, here we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. We know this. So instead of this we can take, right, 1 into this sin square a minus cos square a will remain as it is. Now multiplying with 1 it will become sin square a minus cos square a. And now check this with the RHS which we need to prove. Here we can see that the thing which we need to prove is in sin. Okay, there is nothing a trigonometrical term called cos. So here we need to take this, remove this cos, and we need to substitute it with the sin. So what can we do? The formula. The only thing is formula. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So instead of cos square theta, what can we do? Cos square theta alone I am keeping here and moving sin square theta from LHS to RHS. It will become, which is, it was in plus, it will become minus. So 1 minus sin square theta. So instead of cos square theta we can write 1 minus sin square theta, right? So I am going to write this similar thing over here, like sin square a will remain as it is, minus, instead of cos square a I am going to write 1 minus sin square a. Okay, by this. Okay, and now taking the symbol inside, multiplying the symbol inside, minus into plus it will be minus, minus into minus it will become plus. Okay, now we can see there is sin square a, 2 sin square a's, right? So we can write this as 2 sin square a, sorry, instead of theta that we are going to write a, and this minus 1 will remain as it is. And now check whether we have proved the RHS. Yeah, so this is equal to RHS and hence proved.